Hi Akash, thank you for taking a moment to review this. This walkthrough will briefly explain how the UMK2 Ultra engine works and how the SciGX Flow operates inside it. UMK2 Ultra is a logical operating system. Instead of controlling hardware, it models the behavior, structure, and governance of multiple legacy and modern computing environments inside one unified kernel. Everything runs inside a simulated architecture that behaves like a mainframe, but without requiring device drivers or a hardware stack. When the engine starts, three things initialize immediately. One, the SIGEX ledger, an append-only audit system that seals every event with an HMAC signature, making the entire execution chain tamper-evident. Two, the kernel state, which loads the selected persona. Each persona represents a different computing tradition, such as COBOL, Fortran, Rust, RPG, or Quantum. 3. The mixed-mode execution engine, which can activate governance checks, encryption, GPU-style parallelism, Dask-style scientific simulation, or Ray-style distributed processing depending on the job's flags. When a job is submitted, UMK2 reads four things: the job name, the persona selected, the data, and the execution flags. The persona determines the execution model. For example, COBOL enables transaction-oriented logic, Fortran enables numeric simulation rules, Rust enables memory-safe governance, Quantum enables high-capacity compute modeling. Once the job enters the kernel, it is routed through several stages. The first stage is governance. If governance is requested, Pydantic-style validation checks the structure of the data and masks sensitive fields when required. The second stage is cryptography. If encryption is requested, the engine uses a Fernet cipher to encrypt the payload before continuing. The third stage is parallel intelligence. If GPU mode is requested, the engine performs a bias detection pass using high-speed vector operations. If Dask mode is requested, the kernel performs a large-scale scientific simulation. If Ray mode is requested, the kernel breaks a dataset into chunks and distributes the computation across remote workers. After the compute stage finishes, the kernel completes the job by sealing a final SIGEX entry, marking the beginning and end of the execution as a linked audit pair. The system then updates the internal event log, completes the job lifecycle, and returns the final status. This is the basic walkthrough of how UMK2 Ultra processes